Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blur video transition on CapCut PC. First, go to media and add in a white stock video. If it's too short, just freeze frame it first so that it's easier to adjust it later. Blend mode, opacity, go to blend mode and select overlay. Go to animation, out, and fade it out for the whole video. And you're just going to copy and paste it. Like for the others as well. If you have to extend it, just make sure you go back to animation and adjust the duration. And you're just going to do that for every single video. Oops. Okay, and once you are done with that, you are just going to go to effects, go to opening and closing, which is here. And you're going to select vertical blur, and you're going to add it on top of the video and add it like a third of the video like this. And then you're going to just leave this at 50%. And then you are going to add in keyframes. Well, actually, you're going to put it at 100. Add a keyframe at the beginning. And then here, make it 35%. And then at the end, make it 0%. And you can adjust the keyframe. Copy and paste that. And you're going to copy and paste both of them throughout the whole entire clips. Like for the whole videos, I meant. Okay, sorry. And for longer videos, I'm just going to adjust it so it's like a third of the way. And that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!